Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are told that the formulas above are used in medicine to estimate the body surface area A in square meters of infants and children whose weight W ranges from 3 to 30 kilograms and whose height, H is measured in centimeters. We're told if the two formulas are giving the same estimate for A, which of the following expressions is equal to the square root of HW? So what we're saying here is if A is equal to the square root of HW over 60, and A is equal to 4 plus W over 30, then this is equal to this because they're both equal to A, and it's giving the same estimate for A. So therefore we have the square root of HW over 60 is equal to 4 plus W over 30. So we have we want to isolate the square root of HW. The easiest way to do that is to get rid of the denominator, multiply by 60, because then these will cancel. And you'll just get the square root of HW is equal to. And then on the other side, you also have to multiply by 60. Right? You have to do the same thing on both sides to keep things equal. So we have 60 times 4 plus W over 30. So the square root of HW is equal to 60 divided by 30 is 6 divided by 3, which is 2 times 4 plus W. So which of the following expressions is equal to the square root of HW? Well, it's 2 times 4 plus W, which is C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.